Money ideas. How to make money on Onlyfans in 2023, featuring Cardi B. Agenda. In today's video, we're talking about Cardi B. So let's get into the video. So Cardi B, she has 149 million followers on Instagram, 18 million subscribers on YouTube, 28 million followers on Twitter, 19 million followers on TikTok, 34 million followers on Facebook, and a net worth of approximately $40 million plus. Her timeline. In 1992, she was born in Washington Heights, Manhattan, but raised up in Highbridge, South Bronx. In 2010, she attends Renaissance High School for Musical Theatre and Technology. In 2011, at 19 years old, she starts stripping after being fired from her job at a deli across the road. In 2013, she starts to gain popularity with her entertaining selfie videos on Instagram and Vines. In 2015, she joins the cast of the TV show Love and Hip Hop New York, Season 6, but leaves in 2016 to pursue her music career. In 2015, she makes her music career debut with Shaggy and Popcorn on the song Boom Boom Remix. 2016, she releases her first mixtape, Gangsta Bitch Music, Volume 1. In 2016, she joins the cast of the BET series, Being Mary Jane. In 2016, she signs her first endorsement deal with Romantic Depot, a chain of lingerie stores. In 2017, she signs her first major record deal with Atlantic Records. In 2017, she releases her debut commercial single, Bodak Yellow, with Atlantic Records. In 2017, she was nominated for the 2017 BET Awards for Best New Artist and Best Female Hip Hop Artist. In 2018, she became the first woman to have 5 top 10 singles simultaneously on the Billboard R&B Hip Hop chart. In 2018, she releases her debut album Invasion of Privacy, which became the most streamed album of the year by a female artist on Apple Music. In 2019, she makes her film debut, starring in the movie Hustlers, and later on Netflix's 10-part series of Rhythm and Flow. In 2020, she releases a footwear and apparel collection with Reebok, following on from her earlier collaborations with Fashion Nova and Tom Ford. 2020, on the success of her hit single WAP, featuring Megan Thee Stallion, she opens an Onlyfans account to promote the behind-the-scenes footage from the music video. In 2021, she partners with PLBY Group, Inc. as creative director for Playboy. Also, she launches an alcoholic whipped cream drink called Whipped Shots. How she makes her money. Subscribers. On her Onlyfans account, prior to deletion, she had approximately 81 million subscribers paying her $5 per month, estimated earnings of $9 million per month, $108 million in 2021, approximately. Music. During her music career, she signed to Atlantic Records, released numerous chart-topping singles and albums, including WAP, Bodak Yellow, and Up. She's also performed many concerts and tours worldwide, plus won several music awards, including the BET Awards and the AMA Awards, and more. Endorsements. She signed endorsement deals with a number of brands and businesses, including Tom Ford, Reebok, Fashion Nova, Pepsi, Playboy, and more. YouTube partner. She has a YouTube channel where she shares music content. The YouTube partnership pays content creators based on views, subscribers, and more. TikTok Creator Fund. She has a TikTok channel where she shares music, behind the scenes, vlogs, and entertainment content. The TikTok Creator Fund pays content creators based again on views, subscribers, and more. Business. She has had multiple business ventures over her career, including Cardi B inspired lipstick with Tom Ford, an 80s inspired clothing line with Reebok, fashion and sexual wellness products with Playboy, and more business ventures. Film. She has pursued an acting career, starring in a few movies, including Hustlers and Fast and Furious 9. TV and streaming. She's continued to appear on TV and online streaming, starring on various shows and programs, including Love and Hip Hop, New York, Rhythm and Flow, Being Mary Jane, and many more shows. Bookings. She's been paid for performances and attendance at various nightclubs, private events, concerts and tours, including Wireless Festival, American Music Awards, BET Awards, Grammys, and more. Modeling. She's modeled for many magazine publications, including Cosmopolitan, Vogue, Billboard, Rolling Stones, Bazaar, and Ella. Cardi B's earnings from Onlyfans for 2021 was $9.34 million. Source, Statista. Key takeaway from all of this: become the full package. If your intentions are to create an OnlyFans account so that you can also generate money from OnlyFans in a similar fashion to the likes of Cardi B, then you need to become the full package. So what do I mean by that? I mean this. Cardi B, although she came on the scene initially doing stripping, she then quickly moved into doing music, then quickly moved into doing acting, also did modeling, also did business. So as you can see, she's had her hands in a few different things. She's had multiple skills, multiple ways of making money. So what I mean is this: become the full package for yourself. So when you go into OnlyFans, what are you going to be doing to monetize OnlyFans? Yes, you can do the subscriptions. That's one thing, but I want you to go into it with the intentions and the goal of, I'm going to be the full package. I'm going to have multiple skills. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to basically maybe do modeling. Maybe you could do some entertainment acting stuff. Maybe you could also do some, I don't know, you just use the skills that you have. You as an individual, you can have a variety of different skills. I can't say what you have. Maybe, for example, even if you feel like you don't have any skills, you can learn some new skills. So it could be cooking, it could be comedy, it could be that you do the modeling, it could be that you do the dancing. I don't know what it is. You could be teaching them something. You could be, building stuff. You could be drawing, designing, whatever skills you have. Use a variety of skills, be the full package. Don't just, line yourself up to just providing one thing, because by having multiple areas where you can make money, then you can be like Cardi B, where she's making money in lots of different avenues. She's not just making money from OnlyFans alone, but by the help of her being able to do other things, it's also boosted her clout and her following so that she can actually have a big subscriber base on her OnlyFans. So it works in both ways. So think about that. Become the full package. Offer lots of things in terms of your skills, your abilities, quality over quantity. If you look at when she did have her OnlyFans, she didn't actually have a lot of content up there. And it's similar to how her music videos as well. If you go to her YouTube channel, you're going to see she doesn't actually have a lot of music videos. She doesn't have a lot of albums, whereas other people may have had lots of singles, lots of albums and mixtapes. She's had quite a few actually. not as many as you would have thought. So what does that mean? Think about quality over quantity, because just with the singles that she's put out there, just with the album she's put out there, they've been big hits, they've been chart toppers. So think about when you're putting content on OnlyFans now, don't just think about, okay, I'm going to put lots of content on there, I'm just going to shoot lots of different videos and whatnot. Think about quality. So rather than just pushing out any old stuff, put out less stuff, but of a higher quality. So put some more time and effort into the quality of the content that you're going to be putting on your OnlyFans. So if you could have just done a quick video, just showing, your room or just showing your daily life, think about, okay, fine, how could I 10x that? How could I make that better? How could I improve the quality of that? So maybe you might need to spend a bit of money on going to, a better location to shoot this video. Maybe you need to spend some money on, better equipment to shoot the video, or, better clothes and garments, or, introducing some more people into the video, or, planning out the video a bit better so you have more to show and make it more engaging and entertaining. So think about quality over quantity, because that's what Cardi B has been practicing a lot of. Build super fans. So the whole main reason why she's able to amount such amount of money from OnlyFans is because of her following. She's got a large following that she already had from, acting, from, modeling, from music, from vines and entertainment. She's been in the world, in the scene, in the market for a little while now, building up her following. She's got a bunch of super fans that just basically tags along wherever she goes. Either way, they love her. So when she went into OnlyFans, she already had a huge base of people that were going to come over there. Like she always says, she's already got influence, she's got clout. So you need to be thinking about building your influence and your clout, because that's what's going to really help. You need super fans, not just fans. Fans is just going to be somebody who just likes your stuff. I mean super fans. I mean super fans to the point where people will go out of their way to like, share, tell people about your stuff, will buy your products and programs and services, and will go out of their way to meet you and leave comments. That's a super fan. That's what you want. So to do that, you need to really, be engaging with that audience on your OnlyFans. So not just posting stuff on there. You need to really be talking to people. If somebody leaves comments, comment back. If somebody, says, a compliment to you, you thank them for that. You're doing all these things is going to engage with your audience and your fans and your base that you're building up. If you've got 100 people, 10 people there, you still do this. You don't have to wait till you've got 100,000 people before you start, engaging with your audience, and show relatable stuff that's going to help you to build that audience too. Don't just show, amazing, incredible stuff, but show relatable everyday stuff, but still quality stuff at the same time. So your action steps for today's video are as follows. 1, go ahead and create your OnlyFans account if you haven't already done that, so we can actually begin. 2, I want you to design it. So that means adding in your cover image, adding in your profile picture, adding in, some, videos, introducing yourself, fill in, the bio and some information about, what this is going to be all about, what you're going to be sharing, what people can expect. Start designing it. 3, start posting content daily. So this can be, whatever content you choose. I'm not telling you that you're going to OnlyFans, you have to start posting explicit stuff. That's not what we're doing. We're doing stuff where we can offer something of value around here. I don't want you to think, okay, I'm going to go on OnlyFans and I'm just going to show, private parts and, show myself nude and naked. That's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to show that we can be valuable people. So demonstrate your value by showing a skill. It could be cooking skill. It could be teaching. It could be football. It could be, you name it. It could be that, you're good at, reading or writing. You just whatever, teaching English, you name it. It doesn't, it's limited to your creativity here. OnlyFans is just a platform. It's down to your creativity as to what you're going to share on there. But all I say is that you post content daily, at the minimum, a couple of times per week. Charge subscription. The whole point of the OnlyFans over using Facebook, TikTok, and things like that is that you can directly charge subscription. And I want you to charge subscription. I want you to charge, if you don't feel very confident in the very beginning, charge as little as you can. Maybe $5, £5, start there. And then as you start to add more valuable stuff there, as you start to build a bigger following audience, you can always raise it to 10, 20, whatever you want. But charge subscription so you can actually start monetizing as soon as possible. Look, the superstars of today were once nobodies. So don't forget that. So don't think that, okay, you see Cardi B, she's got millions here, millions there, following and money. Like, she would have at one point just been a nobody as well. She was a nobody at one point working at the deli store, before she became a stripper and before her career took off. So you may be in a similar predicament where you're just working a job right now. Don't worry about that. You can become just as famous, just as rich, wealthy, and successful as she can. Just start. As usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below, and I'll give you my 2 cents.